In front of me is Redmi Turbo, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this Android. All you need to do is open Play Store and download free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Settings, scroll to hit Apps, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Other Settings to hit Default Apps. Now select Launcher, click on Launcher Pro to apply it and go back. Lastly, tap on Allow All and wait. As you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. To make some changes to it, you can access Launcher app. To go back to your default launcher, you can always access the same settings and hit Poco Launcher. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!